and you'll be out na computer all the way and a year for be how make cryptocurrency.
A cryptocurrency in there.
No, and we digital money. I like I have an account. Obet me account. Omu trade. This say be a Bitcoin. Bitcoin said and say me checking 125,000. Until maybe what a Bitcoin be. Maybe your back be 1,000. A coin anymore. Now so we sika. Until the whole world the non-fat baby. I had to was in the bedroom baby. I cash no to can any hobby. Sikan kasa be digital. Digital no to mean trade. Say ebia bank bi wo ha hona sika nugu. Digital money. Until we are making you be a Bitcoin go be them mo. Sika ya create digital. And said I yet tangible ade obetumi asom. But the more enya dim papa no na ekosoro enya dim body na ekofom. Nti eko wiase ko na chisa na be. I know there's a guy that came to me, my very good friend. I said that the matter fear war is legontin be say obaba home by me.
Hey,
a guy who is less than 30 years.
Really?
Yes. And I'm saying, okay, so I went there. Now who fear is lego very nice house, and I know say oh you're into cryptocurrency. And into that time Shiba, you know, your queen be friend Shiba. So Shiba no or invest into it, and within 6 months, no you for sold $250,000.
Jesus Christ, I deal with them in
to use Canaan or the 240,000 cocoa feed.
Hey,
fully furnished, who finish you a very nice house. I mean, na say o crypto hono say o account na what to talk unim coins there some coins will do well within some period of time until unim man you make money. E been more day by day ni say e be an sika no or coin we be $100, e be a way $200, we $150. Nti ya be a $100 no be na ko be $150. Ntem na no we $50 no na ka $100 no be a way $200 about $250 no we $50 no. Nti e be day by day nti no ade e be dra nyim na bia no be $500 any sika wanya. One your lucky so Timothy. Nti e ade a it's trending the whole world. E ade and there are a lot of people.
Everybody do.
Oh yeah, bet me do. Nti a lot of people in the world no me trade it through Binance.
Oh okay.
Binance app no. Oh Ghana high okay. Oh US baby how won't mean you should baby there or many of the platforms are open to be a trading. But me use Binance. And to me the minimum sika wumpa. So when him how be for trading here, you can make money at the end of the day.
Nana just in school.
So but a lot of people online are much these things.
Oh okay.
How much some of these things. Nti say opa obeti me aye. Nti e wow phone so. Nti anytime be so na pa na ma check it. Yeah, you see I my account back where I say yesterday I was having $157.
Yes.
You see I'm checking and say $717 now so. Yesterday it was less than 200.
And you what me
and to make me you see make me the fashion bus of $500 make me a year free so.
Jesus Christ.
I just yesterday it was less than 200 $717.
Safo can dance I won't show me name.
Billionaires in the world, you know. That's what they do. Until who's a coin we be a best $1 million. Now they are investing to it. Within 4 or 5 days, it will jump be about 10% per billionaire.
But it's a bit drop also.
A bit more drop it. I bit more drop it. Especially when the world market, you know, the economy, you know, and you're very stable.
And you're stable.
Affected you know.
Oh, okay.
But since the Trump buy, you know, so no buy say US government, you know, or many other pass say crypto, no. How bad the heck of cryptocurrency? Wow. You know, I buy them bad. They are ready to do it. You know, since so for time now,
a legitimate business.
Legitimate. Online as a stock trading.
Oh, okay.
As a stock trading. No,
okay, I now get it. I now get it.
For instance, sika so koye treasury bills. Ntini sika do kokoto ho no. Every 3 months bia na si abeto so. And no ya de a okura note and kasa wa de koto bank.
Okay.
We know something of a sort. Usika wo no. And now what they are koto sa digital money no.
Oh, okay.
The cost na usika na cost. But see the I say see me pese be a me 2,000 ABA say me kwan na me use let me just be no amount for be obi for me obetimi ato kwan na be. Eh me na do. Awanya lucky. 4 main coins are no and I me trade in. And it's always doing well. Like I'm saying yesterday, I was having less than $200.
Nana, you actually
Phone
David, banana, Nana, me back. I would be doing it. Debbie or Jaja, the bedroom.
It's serious. The idea.
Wow.
When Ebia me here Bitcoin, Ebia $5,000. Now say, maybe will be a now we here, we be me $5,000 cash. Now my transfer 5,000 in the two account to the amount.
But what if say Nippon upeso use Canada unyu be away interested? How do you
no, they're saying now currently so many don't want to ultimate triaka with Bitcoin no.
But you can't get the physical money.
And I make us any physical money. We na us a digital money. Name will be to me equivalence in notes and kasa. You see, as a medium says, for so many 500 from Ray. Some person say, "Minim crofo mu trade." So I would just call him say, "Bacho, me here $500." So be jama me or say, "Ane." Into no answer on no me cash, and I do send mumu. Na me so, we are no send the man on no be just $500.
Oh, so it's a whole community on it.
A whole community on its own.
Okay, that's fine. What
I say.
That's
and now quite broke. There are so many companies that say be a cash. Crap or talk bit me check with Bitcoin.
Really?
I want to be asking because it's CA. And it's buying, cryptocurrency, you know, idea people should know. As I say, no, now don't say a scamming fraudulent.
Yes.
But now, and yes, I net but wouldn't be.
There
are so many other fraudulent apps in a year. Unima, what I was saying. And at least for Binance, they mean say, among a genuine. I've been trading with them for a very long time. Yes,
Binance,
yes. The people are making genuine money online. I know you're scamming, but it doesn't negate the fact that a lot of people are also online and all that they're doing is
your boss has said on Facebook. Somebody David watching. We don't know how to buy it to. Then can me coins for I but phone I don't have it off it. Oh, that I'm part of coins phone. And
those who are already in that business, you know. Very good.
David, but how do I log into it?
And I make I say I just said the Facebook. Who download the app now?
App nearing.
And I make I say Binance on your app.
Binance near.
And that's who will be our person on your Facebook
our Play Store.
Our Play Store, me so iPhone, you know, call a App Store. To download the same way I'll be registered to face. I'll be registered. The baby say we but we know. I say we use one cast original name because on bed your ID card, on bed your passport, on bed your name picture. Until we can be a send your passport and I say be a card or country I was on air recognized. They began higher. Ghana card is there. Your passport your until on baby says information. No. Who provide via verify who say a genuine. So we say the world have systems almost verify those things. To verify via almost try one case when in picture. Until you be a whole light in your camera. Now we try system no ever confirm say nipa na ni ID card ni no. Onu any ana. Until we are message send the code we email at the by send you register for say
yes.
Ube hia kwan ni bi.
Yes.
The coin I've been here and as will be a me or coin be wo. Maybe I'm $10,000 will have here. My say with your two a year coin.
Okay.
Do so be a me pay be a $2,000. Do 2,000 I over say and over me $2,000 it be a cash and I was sending more money. Now me so my send it. So I dig it a coin over 2,000 at the amount. So henceforth no say open say what coin be as me send them money now they are to talk. They be on coin when they very good at now you can buy. Now monitor.
Nana double thumbs up.
A great thing.
Nana double thumbs up.
A great thing.
Every encounter with you is a learning experience. And I must say that I cherish every encounter that we have.
Good.
And I believe our listeners out there equally do also cherish every encounter that we have.
Yeah, I say Bitcoin is 116,581. Now, but it was 112,000. Sure, in the morning. So on Binance, you know, Bitcoin to see 116,000, but no pay 112,000. To be on $1 million, you know, from 112,000 to 116,000. No, and fast difference in the woman.
Baby,
until no be on no yes, can you say and now no pay be a Bitcoin. I shall say 112. Baby, do maybe 120. No, didn't see car to atumun. Within be 2-3 hours, no, or bit my millionaire. The same way, so
obet me aboka. Yeah.
So that's one thing.
I understand.
So and it goes along with the world economy.
Okay.
Say ekosoro say ebefom ti ade abebre no yebi very good. We a young guy, I will tell you, you can have a crypto account. Crypto account is very good. Until we go ane dey no be a this is na be $500 per. No when you good coin. No what told you to ho. On ko kra obetimi agi ato ha. The guy said it's the last 2 years.
Yes.
There was a coin be almost will be your talk coin no. They said 2nd January. It drew December no. Say nipa no turn $100. Obetimi anya be say $1 million. Yes.
Savo.
Nti onya say especially coins in the eba new ones no. Say eba na say
na jai me BP rise.
The idea coin no say bi o ha eba. I say na eba mfoforo bi ko ha nya $1.
$1, yeah.
Nti say wo ko to be say $1,000. It means o coins ni bebrebe. Na wo gya muto na coin na bia mpanyimfo bi na techi na omu pushi na ade na nya $1 no e ko duru bia be say $200 ah. O check how much money you have and so much. And
Jana.
We are a young person. I mean, social media ni kura phone you kura yi. And yet TikTok nkwani ye dey.
Yeah, TikTok.
There are things you can learn online.
Watch up
Some of these trading platforms no obetimi adjoin na wo suasua bi. We ask baby e kosisi e na bedu baby no adwuma bebere begu. Yes, AI na eba no. E bedu baby adwuma bebere begu. Nto you obi a we educated na okura smartphone a. Maintenance na the bia or TikTok kwana o sere. There are a lot of things you can learn. Try not upgrade ho, especially normal internet ho, technology ho. Try not upgrade ho. Yes, bedu baby no be mobo.
Now, in fact, the encounter is really worth it today, and I am blessed. And I said, "Me say Safo, abonitinko sa Safo ufa fun ma munye bi ma uhwe menim na wi a wa kire me." And so Safo ehwe sa, but Nana, I think sir, we'll defer our conversation of Galamsey to next week if you are around.
Hopefully, I should be around.
Yes,
I don't have any plans of
yes. If you are around, and then a bit of this crypto education, because I know that there are lots of people over here in the country. Perhaps they have money, but they don't know how to invest it. Yes.
Crypto,
but does the laws of Ghana permit it?
Oh yes. No, when you Ghana deal. Now America first Ghana where you okay. They are international. Everywhere crypto is there.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
And with the way and yet sika bi say bank bi was there be na sika na save. There be online. It is a block internet there and no block. Yes, ade obi at me. And I don't think say Ghana ha no illegal. No. See, me say na say Trump wa launch a committee or mona or mo twhwem say be crypto ni be #1 in the US.
Hey,
ade America be so mu wi ase nyina be so mu. What I'm saying is say sika and sika nya no nye boa ye pa na kwa fifie te ye nya sika. Obetena baby ya adwuma saa na fifia to the whole now the whole world 21st century no people can just sit down and make money through their phones, their laptops, genuine money. You see a Facebook owner no or well to saying
it's not easy.
Billions of dollars.
Sure.
Then ordinary people are creating their app and what even comes
look at TikTok
and people are making money. Say okay YouTuber videos are here or where an advert bad with a banner. A man for na your advert. Nti nipa na ono post video ni yetua ne ka.
Me advert no mo the video no mo delete ai.
Your ad you be o ha skipable. Bi wa bit ma skip, bi wa untimi skip.
Ah no correct.
Did you untimi skip na compose by boss. And you see many a time they don't even care because I will hear they are no for mother.
Aye.
For mother they bring about bo akosi. To YouTube now wo hwe no.
Yeah.
The YouTube owner no. O man kasa obi a make a product abese wo ye ho advert. Na ya charge you say be $100 for be a 1 week. Nti be a ya charge what you ka o. No achiche man crofo nti $100 no we yimu say $20. Na o the man say mo video no ye be bo advert ni wo. Nti ono aye the owner no. Wa give the chunk.
I now understand.
And I wanna was video no ye hwe no so no. Now so je minim crofo a every month bia na wanya kura na otimia bia be say $10,000 e won account um.
Hey,
yes, just by video mo create. Oko he amanfo video na odidi o matema commenting na o manisika.